In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your ignition status switch on your Hyundai Accent. It's located inside the car on the steering column. Alright, using a Phillips head, we're going to unscrew this screw. And there's another one on the other side. And one screw on the bottom. Now you're going to separate the two plastic pieces in the steering column. And just let that up. Alright, so now we can turn the key off and take it out to take this bottom part out. Alright, so now we can take this completely out by pulling and pull down as you take it out. And now over here on the left side is where this ignition switch is. What we got to do is take out the two screws that are here, which are here and here, unplug it, and then put the new one on. Alright, so we're going to pry away from this panel. I'm going to unscrew this screw so that we can let this panel down. And take that screw out. Alright, so now that we've taken out this screw, we're going to take out this screw as well. Alright, now that we have these two screws out, I'm going to pull this cover off, and you're going to take out these two bolts. I'm using a 10mm socket, loosen them both up, and take them out. Okay, using a Phillips head screwdriver, I'm going to take out this screw. Okay, I guess that'll just have to stay in there. Okay, and now we're going to drop this down just far enough to be able to get a screwdriver in here. So you can drop your lever down for your tilt wheel. We gotta kind of go inside that panel area, take that screw out, and move our screwdriver below, and unscrewing the other one. We're gonna disconnect the connector by pushing in on this tab. You might need a screwdriver to do that. It was a little difficult, but we got it. Pull that down and out of the way. Now that we've taken off the connector, we're gonna insert the key and go one over. We should be able to pull it out like that. Alright, so now we're going to put the new switch in. Going to line it up with where the screws go, making sure that your key is still one over. Once it's in, you can turn your key back and that'll lock it in. Now we can connect our connector. Push it on until it clicks. And now we're going to put our screws in. I recommend using some sort of a magnetic screwdriver that will help you out since it's in such a strange place. So if you can get it on the screwdriver and guide it in, that's your best way about it. Okay, once you get that one in, you can go for the one on the top. Okay, once it's tight, now we can pop our panel back. It should just click in. We can insert our two bolts here. I'm just going to hand tighten them first. And just tighten them up wrist tight. You can put this panel back. And now we can put our screws in on the side. Alright, so you have one screw here, one here, and one on the bottom corner of the panel. Alright, so we just put our screws in, the lower one on the panel, and now we can snap back our panel here. Line up all your tabs and push them in. There we go. Alright, so now we're going to put our lower part of the steering column back. You're going to push up. There's a little lip there. You might need to adjust your wheel in order to get it in there right. You're going to feed it up in and then push up. At this point I don't have this locked at all, so I can move it wherever I need to. It should very clearly snap together. So now we can insert our 3 screws. So we'll start with this one. And now we're going to turn the wheel. You're going to see your screw going in on that side as well. And now the last one is on the bottom. There we go. And now you can lock your steering wheel in place. Put your key in, start your vehicle. Make sure everything works properly. So you just want to make sure there's nothing binding in the steering column itself. Make sure your key turns on and the vehicle starts.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.